Welcome everybody today on our session of how we can improve Workforce Development Center results using real-time feedback in career readiness tools. As Workforce Development Centers at Nexa, we understand you guys are the backbone of this, certain county, certain city, certain country, and it's your job to help your either that's job seekers, citizens, whoever is coming to you guys for help to get proper results and also match what employers are looking for. And today I'm going to show you how using real-time feedback in tools like resumes, interview simulations, mock interviews, whatever you want to call them, can truly help you. Because let's face it, you guys probably get a lot of people walking in that door, coming to you online, and doing a lot of modules, and you're probably repeating the same things over and over again. And no staff in the modern day is equipped to have technical and understanding of every job in the world. It's simply impossible. And here's where using real-time feedback, one of the features in the Nexa Workforce Development Center management platform, can help you guys with. So I'm going to show you here today. This is what a job seeker portal looks like, guys. In a job seeker work portal, you have a bunch of different tools. One of our most common tools that gives feedback is interview simulations. Why? Because when you practice interviews, practice makes perfect to get in front of the employers. So I'm going to give you a quick example here. To keep it short and simple, it doesn't matter what career your Workforce Development Center helps in. Let's say it's finance and let's say it's an accountant, right? So here we're going to start an accounting style practice round interview, you can say.
Hi, let's practice an interview for accountant. Explain the concept of net present value, NPV, and its importance in investment decisions.
Look, guys, I'm no expert in finance, but I'm going to use this for the example of today's video. Now, what I'm about to do is I'm going to answer this question in the best of my ability. Sometimes what you guys currently do in your current situations might be copy and pasting who knows what the job seeker or your client does to properly understand what you said, and you're constantly going to have to repeat and do this feedback over and over again. So what's going to happen is the concept of net present value is something I wish I knew, but I didn't take accounting class. Now, in reality, you should know this. I'm giving you guys an example. What's going to happen is next I'll be able to give you feedback if someone actually did that.
Can you explain the concept of time value of money and its application?
Now, as much as these are great interview questions, when you go to your profile, you'd come here to analytics, and this is the job seeker, by the way. This is before they're effectively involving your staff in the process. They would come here, and honestly, if I look at feedback here from the previous round that I did, as you can see here, there was a question and it said whatever, I got basically a grading score of 5 here. I answered another question. I said, I have no clue. I'm glad I'm not cheating. And I got my feedback score real time. Now, if I'm on the staff portal, meaning what a workforce development center would see on their end, I can literally come here to practice rounds and I can see it in real time from the learner, right? I simply went here to a learner and I found the learner or an individual's name that I wanted to track and see where I can give them feedback and provide value. And I pulled all their information out. I can see everything, stats, information. But for this video, more specifically, their interview feedback or their detailed mock interview simulation feedback or their resume feedback, which also would show up right here. As you can see here, I'm able to see the copy of their resume and the feedback of their resume. So as an example, if I were to press this and I would generate feedback, I'm able to see a line on summary of feedback, skills relevance, experience relevance, education certifications feedback, keyword matching feedback, overall resume quality feedback. You guys get the point here. The cool part is the job seeker can see feedback as well before directly coming to you guys. And that's very helpful because that is going to reduce time efficiency. You guys can provide value where you need to. Once again, going back to the beginning, you probably get 30, 40, 50, hundreds of individuals coming to change their career. It's a lot of challenge to go over this information, provide feedback over this information, provide feedback. You should only provide feedback based on the information you get. And this is actionable information that you guys can take a look at and say, hey, X job seeker, you're clearly failing on this technical aspect or on this scenario-based aspect or on this behavioral aspect, and that's not pushing you forward and making you employer ready. Once you guys can fix that, not only you help the job seeker, you get more job seekers. On top of that, employers will see you as actually valuable because you're up to par what they're looking for, because everybody that comes out of you guys is all of a sudden career ready. And I hope that makes a lot of sense. The same thing I just showed you will apply for this if they were to upload their resume and select a job description. So I'm just going to show you guys as an example. This is a live simulation. If I were to upload a resume, select a job description, when I'm done, that would show up under interview simulations, just like this, right? And if I have anything completed, I'm not sure, it would show a detailed level of information as well. With that being said, guys, that covers how using real-time feedback will help your workforce development center thrive in 2025. There's obviously a lot more tools and features jam-packed in what we do, right? You can do that for resumes, you can do that for interview practice, for Simulator Pro. Honestly, even live job simulations like this right here in Octagon can give you real-time feedback. But the best part is the workflow. Ready? Once again, to summarize, the job seekers and employers in your program can take action before coming to you all over here, practice round simulations. But at the same time, if needed, you guys have, the full observability to check reports, to check analytics, and check all their feedback, to enter the user's information and see where they've been and see what type of feedback that they created that you can see in real time and provide actionable insights to. Okay. If you guys found this video helpful and you want to know more, let us know in the comments what other tools or problems you guys are facing as workforce development centers, and we can help you in the comments and even potentially create videos showing you how our platform helps break through and help you increase your job placements, reach your metrics, reach your employer demands for 2025. Guys, we really see a big need for workforce development centers to step it up and adapt to some of the modern day tools available and use AI to provide as much as value as possible. Like I said, if you found this helpful, please like, follow at any time. You can reach out to us through email, you can comment, and we'll be always happy to help you guys. Have a great day.